In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set reminders on Google Assistant. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So one of the biggest misconceptions about Google Assistant is that it only works on an Android, but today I'm actually going to be using my iPhone to show you how you can use this app first of all, and how it can make your life so much easier, and also how to set reminders. So what we're going to do is first of all, go ahead and download the app. I already have it right here. It's called Google Assistant. I'm going to quickly show you on the App Store. This is going to be the app. Go ahead and download it and open it. All you have to do is to log in with your Gmail account, and now Google will automatically sync in all your information. So once you log in and you open up Google Assistant, this is the screen that you're going to see. And you have the option right here to enable your microphone and ask Google for different things. So I'm going to say something like, "Hey Google, can you please remind me to cook my dinner at 8 p.m. tonight?"
Okay, I'll remind you today at 8 p.m.
So now Google is going to remind me at 8 p.m. to cook my dinner. And the great thing about this is that it will actually go to your calendar as well. If you open up your task, you're able to see the different reminders that you have. So at 8 p.m. tonight, Google is going to show me my reminders or any other event that I create. "Hey Google, please create a meeting for tonight at 7 p.m. and call it work meeting."
Okay, do you want to save that?
Yes.
Sure, I added it.
You can also use this app to automatically create meetings for you. And if I open up my calendar, I'm able to see the meeting that Google Assistant created for me. This is a really fun app that you can use to make your life easier. And if you guys try it out, let me know in the comments. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.